Hey Vanessa, so I'm still having some issues with StemScopes. So when I type in StemScopes, it takes me to this page that looks very different than the last time I was on StemScopes. So I don't really know what's happening here. But anyway, so I press log in, and I'm assuming international schools is where I click. I don't see America on here. Anyway, and then so normally I would put in my own, and that's not working. Okay, and so then I'm going to try in yours because you so graciously gave it to me. GWA 104 shout mark or exclamation mark, and I don't think that's going to work either. So I don't know if I'm like on the wrong website or what is the deal. Um, but if you could give me some wisdom, thank you so much.